this last year, I've thought about going back and like doing it again. So I guess my best question would be like, finding the right therapist.
What a great question.
How do you go about doing that? Because there's word of mouth, there's different kinds of things. There's a referral from a doctor.
One is called psychologytoday.com. With there, they have a picture of therapists. They have their bio, so what do they specialize in? It talks about their costs and what insurances they take. I like that because then I can go on and see, do I prefer man or woman? Do I want someone with certain type of expertise versus others? And it puts me in the driver's seat of what kind of treatment I want. If I go to my doctor, it's like, I'm just going to refer you who I think is best. So Psychology Today is a good one. Or even if you go Google just therapists in my area, there's similar websites to that should have similar things to that.
Especially like in Wichita, I've already done some Googling and certain things come up and you kind of look, but they're like locations of such place, and these are the people who are on our website that look at certain places.
Yes.
I've been kind of looking around at that, but I think it can get a little confusing, and just of course knowing exactly what you're saying, or what issues that you need to address. Because the couple of times I've been in counseling, one of them was actually along with my husband. The therapist was very skilled, but it wasn't the kind of thing that we needed as far as what was being addressing our issues.
You guys actually needed to go for
we needed to go.
Okay.
Right. So it was probably just a mismatch.
Sure.
In a way. And then the second time was great in a lot of ways. It was like a holistic approach, which I appreciate as well.
For sure.
But that therapist is no longer available to me. And so
it's like, where do you go from now?
Where do I go from here? Right?
So I'm a big believer too. So let's say you go to the Psychology Today, you read different profiles and pictures. You can call them and do, a lot of therapists, like my practice, I do free consults. When a client calls me, we can talk for 5 or 10 minutes to make sure we may be a good fit.
Okay.
Do I offer what you're looking for? Okay. And even on that phone call, we can say, you're looking for this type of counseling. I don't really do that, but maybe I can give you some names to where to go. And I think that's great, because that helps maybe call 2 or 3 different people and see who is going to be the right fit for you.